Let's go over these three problems. In the first one, what was the low temperature in Chicago each day in March? What was the low temperature in Chicago on March 7th? Question A asks for a temperature at 31 different times because there's 31 days in the month of March. And it is likely that those temperatures will vary. They're probably going to be different from day to day, maybe just a little different, but they're going to be different. Question B asks for a low temperature at one time. It's only asking for March 7th. Question A is a statistical question. Why? Because it's asking a question that is going to give you lots of different numbers. It's very likely that they will vary. Question B is only going to give you one number as an answer. It's too specific. Number 2. Question A, how long did it take you to get to school this morning? Question B, how long did it take you to get to school each morning this week? Which one is the statistical question? It's question B. And this might not be exactly what you were thinking for an explanation, but it should be this basic idea. Question B asks for the time of a trip on 5 different days, and the times are likely to vary. So anytime you're trying to prove that a statistical question is in fact a statistical question, you probably should include the word vary in there, or likely to vary. Each day of the week, there's normally 5 school days. You probably get there slightly different time every day, even whether you're going on a bus or you're driving there. It's not exactly the same time. And we use the word likely will vary for the last one. So that's how you justify a statistical question or not. You can say it's likely that it will vary. For number 3, a student recorded the number of pets in households of 56 graders. A possible answer as an example statistical question could be, how many households had one or more dogs? Interesting. So this is what I like to call a threshold question. It's not asking for the most of something or the least of something. It's not a superlative. This is actually asking for one or more. And some other examples over here that you could have, maybe a lot of you thought, what was the greatest number of pets a house had? That would be a good example. That's a superlative question, greatest meaning most. What was the least number of pets a house had? Least and greatest, those are opposites. And then here are 2 more examples of other questions. They don't yet necessarily use superlatives, but they're more like threshold questions. How many households had 0 pets? How many had over 5 pets? Looking for the number of houses that had lots of pets. What you can't ask, though, because it won't give you a number, is which student had the most pets, which student had the least pets. Yes, they're using superlatives most and least, but your number is going to be the name of a student, and it won't be a number. Your answer needs to be a number for a statistical question.